Academy of Mastery. Today we are going to be designing in Canva using frames, text frames to be specific. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding our text frames. We're going to go over here to Elements and we're going to type in frames. And we're going to click here to see all, and then we're going to actually search them. So we're going to type in T. I'm going to choose the first one, T, R, A, B, again, highlight all of them, make them a little bit smaller so we have enough space. And L. So we have all of our letters here for travel. And so I'm just going to highlight all of them and then drag to center them. And now we're going to look up something to put inside of our frames. And so we're going to, here in Elements, we're going to close this and we're going to type in beach. We'll click photos, and actually we're going to click videos. And we're going to look through our videos of the beach. And I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. So I'm going to drag it here. And so I put it inside of the frame, but I actually want to line it up so that they all go across the different frames, or so that it goes across the different frames. So I'm actually going to double click inside the box and then drag it all the way over to that side. And I'm going to drag it again into this box. And I'm going to do a little bit less. Oops. I'm gonna click here. This one's about centered, so I'm gonna leave it where it's at. And we'll drag this one here. And I'm actually gonna shift this one a bit. This way. And the last one I'm going to shift all the way. There we go. So now we have our frames here. I'm actually going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'll add a text box. And we're going to click here on our fonts. Look for handwriting font. Okay, so here we're going to type in paper. Insert. Actually, we'll go with this paper. And we're going to position it to the back. And we'll change our font color. And here we have our final design. Have a teenager ages 13 to 18, sign them up for our Be a Graphic Designer 10-week course on how to use Canva.